welcome back to my channel. Please remember, if you're new to my channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and if there's a video you love for me to make, just comment it down below. So today I'm going to be showing you how to burp your baby. So sometimes I burp her like this and pat her back a little, and next time I will rub her back like this. And the way that I love most is to put my two fingers here under her arm, her big finger safely on this arm. Look at them. And I would pat her back like this. Look in the camera, Kevin. I love to burp her like this. Sometimes I get some big burp. So it's important to burp your baby to prevent. Ooh, she did it. Thank you. You did it for the camera. So it's important to burp your baby so that she don't get gassy. Making sure that she digests her food. Nice. And a next important part, I love that this happened right here. The hiccup, I normally call it the jump. If you put down the baby too quick, that is when they tend to get the jump quicker. I call it the jump, but we're talking about the hiccup, and I'm speaking about it when she have it, so that way you will see. I realized that Kevin Lee catch hiccup when I feed her, and like I allow her to burp, but then I put her down. But what happened is that she's sleeping, so I wanted to burp her so bad. Sorry that you're not seeing my face. I more like to know that I'm talking about her, so we focus on her. When I'm talking about myself, I will show myself. So it's about Kevin A, so we show Kevin A, right? Right. So I realized that when I burp her and I put her down, she catch the jump. I call it the jump, but it's a hiccup. For me, I think when I put her down too soon, after feeding, she catch the jump. So hiccups are normal and usually does not hurt the baby, because if you remember quite well, when your baby was inside of the womb, you could feel some little jumping once they touch about 8 months, 9 months, when the baby start to get hiccup. You'd now realize, oh, so this little jump that I used to feel is actually the baby hiccup, and that is normal. In younger baby, hiccups are usually a sign that they need to be seated upright during or after feeding. That feeding needs to be slower for them, or that they need more time before or after feeding to relax. So this is just my take on hiccup and how I observe she getting it. So she get hiccups when I put her down too quick after burping. So I should allow her to relax a little bit in my hand. So that's what I'm starting to do as from now on. So I decided to make a video about hiccups to help other moms that are saying, oh, why my baby keep catching hiccup? But hiccups is normal. When we're growing up and we catch hiccup, my grandma used to say that, oh, you're growing. And since I'm big, it seems I stopped growing because I don't catch hiccup anymore. So anyway, guys, thank you. What are your signs on hiccup? When does your baby develop hiccups for you? If this video was helpful and informative, please remember to subscribe to my channel. It is free to subscribe. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Peace, love, and light. Woman power. How to burp your baby. hold your baby's back straight and pat it, or you can rub the back gently. I enjoy making sure the baby burp, because burping helps to keep the guests away, and that's what you want. You don't want your baby to be gassy, because you don't want your baby to be a fussy baby, because her baby tummy is hurting and all of that. So that's just my little bonus take.